inside the Niger Delta.
The British government recently pledged support for the ongoing environmental remediation exercise in Ogoniland. Britain's Deputy Commissioner to Nigeria, Ms. Gill Atkinson, who made the pledge during a working visit to polluted sites in the 4 local government areas of Ogoniland, hinted that the Department for International Development, DFID, will also be contacted to offer technical support to the Hydrocarbons Pollution Remediation Project, HYPREP, the federal government agency mandated to carry out its ongoing cleanup project in Ogoniland. Correspondent Chika Obodozie has details.
Ms. Atkinson's recent tour of polluted sites was to find out how the ongoing environmental remediation exercise was progressing in Ogoniland. After taking an assessment of the level of work carried out so far on the Ogoni Cleanup project, the Deputy British High Commissioner expressed satisfaction with the quality of service delivered by contractors hired by the Hydrocarbons Pollution Remediation Project, HYPREP.
It's really good to see strong progress happening here and genuine implementation of the project, which has taken time to plan, but as we can see, there's real productive work going on now.
For what she described as a job well done, the British Deputy High Commissioner to Nigeria, Ms. Atkinson, pledged the support of her country to ensure that the objectives of the Ogoni Cleanup project were achieved to save lives and protect livelihoods in the ecologically devastated Ogoni communities.
We are offering expert support through the Department for International Development, and this is long-term support to the project. But this is obviously a project which is largely funded by the IOCs, and that's the correct thing to do.
HYPREP's coordinator, Dr. Marvin Dekil, who conducted the British Deputy High Commissioner around the 21 polluted sites currently receiving attention, restated the federal government's commitment to the successful environmental cleanup of Ogoniland.
The federal government of Nigeria is fully committed to implementing this to the letter. We've invited UNEP, the unit officials are here even as we speak, so that everything we do it consistent with the recommendations in the report. It's also very important to tell the world and to tell the Ogoni people that this is an environmental remediation project. As much as we would like to solve other problems, our primary focus will be to deal with the environmental challenges and ensure that these contractors work according to specifications within timelines and within budget.
In trying to make a success out of the Ogoni Cleanup project, HYPREP has gone into partnerships with the River State government, other development-based institutions and the civil society community. HYPREP's coordinator, Dr. Marvin Dekil, however, observed that the success achieved so far on the Ogoni Cleanup project could not have been possible without the cooperation and support of the oil-impacted communities. The British High Commission's fact-finding mission on the Ogoni Cleanup project was rounded off with a visit to the traditional ruler of Eleme Kingdom, His Royal Highness Emere Philip Obele.
Inside the Niger Delta.